Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Thursday, January 16. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has challenged regional tourism players to embrace competition and become the tourist destination hotspot. While addressing the opening of Caribbean Travel Marketplace 2014, Mrs. Simpson Miller argued that the region's tourism vision on competition was both narrow and clouded.
The vision is narrow because it does not accept that we must compete for primacy of the total product. Most destinations have sea and sun. So to compete effectively, policy must be innovative and strategy must embrace concepts of sustainability as reflected in our Jamaica's tourism master plan.
At the local level, the Prime Minister promised greater successes in 2014 for Jamaica's tourism sector. Crop production in the agricultural sector is expected to grow with the use of Vitazyme, an all-organic biostimulant. By using Vitazyme, which was developed by Health 2000 Agro, farmers should also be able to reduce the input of chemical fertilizers in crops. Speaking at a seminar on Tuesday, Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Roger Clark said the stimulant had been effective in other jurisdictions.
This technology has been used by neighbors in Cuba in their sugar industry and tomato and sweet potato production, resulting in a significant increase in productivity. Further afield, it has been tested on rice fields in the Philippines and Indonesia.
Minister Clark added that Vitazyme should contribute to the development of the Agri-Parks project, a major plank of the government's growth agenda. The aim is to increase local food production, reduce imports, and increase exports. Jamaica is to benefit from a new state-of-the-art secondary school courtesy of the Republic of Turkey. The country is also exploring the feasibility of donating a hospital to the island. Over the next 3 days, an 8-member delegation from that nation will be reviewing lands in Ironshore, Montego Bay for construction of the school. The team will also hold discussions with Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites and his staff. The delegation, which is being led by the Governor of Bursa, arrives in the island Thursday evening and departs on Saturday. Bursa is a wealthy industrial province in Turkey with a population of more than 3 million people. The new business registration form, more commonly known as the Super Form, has been implemented without many hiccups. Deputy Chief Executive Officer of the Company's Office of Jamaica, Shelley Leon, says the main challenge is to ensure people know about the initiative, which started on January 2.
Apart from this feeling of them having a new form that they must get accustomed to, the overwhelming response from the majority of our customers is, why did this take so long to happen? There are persons who actually waited until January 2nd to come here to do their business because they wanted to avoid going to multiple government departments.
The Super Form provides a one-stop opportunity for business registration and company incorporation. Prime Minister and Minister of Sport Portia Simpson Miller has expressed sadness at the passing of Sports Administrator C. Lloyd Allen. Mr. Allen served in a leadership position at many sporting bodies, including the Foundation for Sports of Jamaica, the Boxing Board of Control, Commonwealth Caribbean Lawn Tennis Association, Institute of Sports, and the Jamaica Lawn Tennis Association. Mrs. Simpson Miller says Jamaica has lost one of our finest and most efficient sports administrators whose contribution to the development of sport is unquestionable. The Prime Minister has expressed condolences to Mr. Allen's family, friends, and the sporting fraternity who mourn his passing. And finally, Jamaica's leaders have been challenged to be courageous, while citizens are called to act to bring about the success the country desires. At the 2014 Annual National Leadership Prayer Breakfast, Bishop Dr. Delford Davis said it was time to take the bull by the horn. He asserted that Jamaica needed humble leaders and said the country could only overcome its many challenges if all unite to make brand Jamaica one we can all be proud of.
Jamaicans need to breathe a sigh of relief in 2014 and beyond. We need to breathe that sigh of relief from crime and violence, especially murders, road fatalities, from corruption, from cantankerous political opponents, from rapacious business operators, from a lukewarm, self-satisfied church, and from all the abominable acts that remove the pride from us as being a real Jamaican man.
After delivering the main sermon at Thursday's prayer breakfast, Bishop Davis prayed for both Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller and Opposition Leader Andrew Holness. Donations received by the prayer breakfast committee this year will benefit the Committee for the Upliftment of the Mentally Ill, a St. James-based charity. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.